Sanibonani Dumelang Mzanti. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bother and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Now. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, ma, best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu.
Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Ngiyekhere ukugana njana nokhamba.
Yes.
Uma pheze ngadlala.
Dlamini.
Hello, no.
Yeah.
Oh, yinsan.
Hi, guys. How are you? My scats, can I please ask you a few questions? I go around asking couples questions.
Ngathi sijahile.
Echakane phila pinki ntombi intoni wafayist.
No, it's just that ngikhathele ndibabi kuyongilanda yabo.
Nyani nivela phi emsebenzini?
Ngivela emsebenzini so sayendlini.
Niyendlini. Just 5 questions, guys. I'll take like 2 seconds.
Nisebenza kuphi? Nisebenza kuphi?
Kwa YouTube, CMTV.
Okay, ama question maphi la nifuna ukusibuza wona?
Just basic couples questions. Where did you meet? How long have you been together? And then you guys can go.
Ufuna ukuyiphendula?
You know right ngalokho.
Awunankinga.
Don't have an issue.
Okay, sahlangana emall.
Andikabuzi kalokho, guys. Let me ask. Is that
Athi sifuna ukuhamba isivele
okay? Okay, come closer, guys. I'm gonna finish.
Jike futhi.
Danicela man kushushu andithi ufuna do you want to shoot in the sun? Izani ke sondela?
All right.
Okay, come to my left, my lady.
Wayihlukanisa.
Kaloku ndifuna umapha ntombi ndizonibuza kakuhle. Name? I'm sorry, girl. Name?
Nobuhle.
Nabuhle and?
Ukabela.
Kabel, how long have you been with Nabuhle?
3 months, 2 weeks, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the honeymoon phase.
Yebo.
Nyana. Okay. Nabuhle, but you know what I always say on the show? If it's been like 3 months only, ne, you need to give a man time to get rid of his other girlfriends. Because what if you... Uthaka namntu?
Hey.
Kabela unamntu?
Yeah, ngithole ngisingile.
Fully single, no talking stage, nothing.
No, kahle kahle siswami mina ngisuka kwi 2-year relationship so ngihlale unyaka wonke ngajona.
So there was no sneaky link or anything in between? Situationship, yeah.
Casual dating there and there, but nothing serious.
Okay. What about you, Nabuhle? Were you completely single?
Yeah.
Okay. So are you sure that you got rid of the girls that he was casually dating before you came?
Sekunama doubts masathi there and there.
Exactly.
Mara sayikhulume emola ngithi njengoba bongibuza ukuthi
Masathi there and there. Azengisayikhuluma uthini? Uchaza ukuthini mosho kanjalo.
angithi ngibuzile ukuthi ungithole ngijola noma ngathi
When I want a casual dating.
aena shithi ubo awulalela mina ngithe
Ekathi nami ngizwile.
Exactly.
ngibuya ku 2-year relationship which you know cause sayikhulume emola
CV.
so wangibuza ukuthi akuna sneaky link in between. Yeah, this is before mina nayisijola. Yeah, so
But Galoko, it means when you met her, on the day that you met her,
No,
you're
the-
probably still dealing with your sneaky link.
when I met her no bengajoli bekuye kuphela namanje
What did you do about the girls that you were casually dating when she came along?
ziphelele nje
Within
Njengoba
the
ngisho-
3 months. That's what I'm saying. Mhlambe zizoziphelela while you're still with her because you guys have only been together for 3 months.
well basically some relocated omunye beyangekho serious so
Bengaphi
bese ngahlangana naye no abantu la ngiphuma khona eKasi. Yeah, but nothing serious and I understand why ungisola nje cause bengihambela nomuntu wami manje yabona sekayangidoubt.
Awumsole wena Nabuhle.
Ara ngiyamthemba umuntu wami yasi.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give him an 8.
8.
Yeah.
Okay. Kabel, Nabuhle, how scale of 1 to 10?
I mean anginika 10 akazange niki reason ukuthi ngamthemba.
Ungathi innocent, pinky, cute. So I understand your 10, okay?
Yeah.
But Nabuhle, you guys said you're in a hurry, ne? So what we do on the show, we make couple switch phones basically because we're testing your loyalty.
So you switch phones
My boy,
and you guys
yeah.
go through each other's WhatsApps.
No.
No.
Still early to do that.
It's early to do.
Yeah.
3 months, 2 weeks now.
But Jojo was just questioning his casual dating, Moss. You don't want to know what's happening.
Like izongizwisa ubuhlungu.
Kodwa-
But wouldn't you rather
Kodwa
know?
ngiyithola mase ngiyafeinta.
No, but now ukhuluma ngathi khona into engiyifihlayo.
Ayikho into oyifihlayo, Kaba?
Yeah.
Ayikho into oyifihlayo.
Lutho. Mhlambe wena angazi kodwa mina.
Mina ngisingile. Ngamnikeza ifoni.
Ungamnika-
But,
Kodwa
Kaba,
asikho
phone.
forced.
KB, no, you're not forced. But I mean, if your partner is willing, then why not?
you said
Shithi nami kumele ngibe willing.
Mm.
Akunankinga singaqala ngeyakhe ke for.
Okay, perfect.
why simqala ngeyama ngithi wena uthe wena there and there so le there and there yiyo lena mina ngidawuthisayo.
Ngiyethemba, so I'm confident ukuthi ayikho into engizoyithola lapha.
Oh.
Nami ngiconfident ngangifoni yami, so
Okay.
singaqala ngeyakhe for.
Okay, can you give your thumbs? Please take his phone. Skati Vuli, just open it for me. Ne? Oh, okay. Here you go. All right, Skat, go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Ngicela ungenzele i-pattern.
Ngebuhle ukuthi ivuliwe.
Uthi siyakuphi?
Okay, WhatsApp, ne? All right. Type
Okay.
love you.
I love you.
Mm. Or just love you.
Okay, kuvela mina kuvela usisi wakhe. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, delete.
Delete.
Type miss you.
I miss you.
Mm.
Just me, Japan.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Type babe.
Okay. Conversation mina naye we had izolo and previously. Akekho omunye ovelayo.
Okay, and Brayo. Okay, delete that. Type last night.
Kaze sisi wami yini into nifuna ukuyibona la. Baby,
I explained that, KB, so
Last
I don't
night.
know there's a lot.
akuna nix evelayo.
Okay, delete that. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching her.
Outside. Okuvela 4. Okay, it's me. Sisi wakhe. Laba ke angibazi ke.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, type Woza.
Naye ayiveli.
Mm-mm.
Ayiveli.
Oh, Chantombi. Delete. Type Ageko.
Akekho.
Somebody go YouTube.
Na akekho akuna nix lami.
Nothing.
Akekho.
Hey, okay.
Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi hayi.
Yeah. Delete type Ngiyabonga. Let's see who's doing her favors.
Ngiyabonga. Kuvela mina still. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a delete type test.
Yangi 28 January futhi last month.
Okay.
Ini?
Test.
Test as in like test.
Test. HIV test, pregnancy test.
Yo.
Nothing. Okay, delete type pregnant.
Lutho.
Nothing. Hey, delete type meat.
Ini?
Meat. Just type meat.
Ngibhala kanjani le?
MITHI. Kubano meat here? Oh, it's okay. Never mind. I don't want to take out your personal things because it's another girl's name. So it's yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah, Manu. Okay. Your woman is loyal.
Yeah.
Vula ifoni Gabel KB usincede sizele nje lo favor.
Okay. Kodwa kuna nix engayidelete before noma.
Delete ndo. Tukjonga.
No, like like khona yeah.
Ayikho nengidilate ngithathe from the back.
No, angisho ku WhatsApp like.
No.
Khona umunye umfana nje bangithumela ama file amanye ngawani. Kodwa ke sisoma sifithi
I'm sorry, but because you've already pressed the password and that's what gave enye into efuna kuyenzile.
Ake siboneke kudala ukuthi 2 years bowusingile kaMampela.
Go to WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay. Type love you. You're nervous, KB. I don't like it.
lutho. Hayi njengoba ngishilo.
Vela mina yazi.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Baby ungakhohlwa sijahile ne.
Vela mina futhi.
Okay, delete that. Type akekho.
Akekho. Ha. Kabelo.
Hello Sithando.
Sibona izinto apha.
Sibona uNtokozo.
Ntokozo umntana wabo Sibusiso yamazi.
But lento ebhalwe la ayihlangani nalento oyishoyo.
Thina sithi akubani ongekhoyo futhi
Ubani lo
akekho.
ongekhoyo?
No.
Angithi umtshela ukuthi mina angikho. Ngangitshela ukuthi angikho mina.
Ngibuzile uNtokozo ubani? uNtokozo umntana wabo Sibusiso bekafuna uSibusiso kimi. Yeah, wathola ukuthi ake.
Oh, what akekho.
Okay.
Okay, it's fine. Just scroll.
It's fine.
Just scroll, my Scott. Read the conversations. Wait.
Ima.
In conversations zakho nje apha zifani.
Yabo lento eyikhulumayo nalento la. Ayifani Kabelo. Kabelo ayifani lento eyikhuluma la nalento la.
Ngicela ukuchaza.
Chaza.
Lalela. uNtokozo.
Ani?
Njengoba
Because like iyasho yonke into lento la. Ayikho into ozoyichaza because ama-conversation wena ayayichaza lento leyo ukuthi vele nayizolo bowunaye. Ungilanda kanti wena uyazi ukuthi wena bowunomuntu izolo.
Izolo. Say rest le pencil yakho.
Serious.
Ngicela ukuyichaza ke.
Sayisuka.
uNtokozo
Like, serious?
lalela ngicela ukuyichaza baby ehlisa umoya.
Chaza.
To me.
Wait baby.
Tshelile ukuthi I'm 2 years yonke.
Oh my God. I'm sorry.
Besihambela. Baby lalela.
Oh, my Scott is so free. Oh, my love.
You know what I was planning for you? I wanted to buy you because we are working under the sun. How could you do this to me?
I'm sorry.
Still Mari right is
You know I was streamer.
Chaza.
You promised me the world.
ehlisa umoya.
Promised me the world.
My Scott is all.
uNtokozo wafika afuna ngimncede khona i-assignment abhizi ngayo.
You tell us something.
Lalela baby askis love you skol. Baby askis na lo ngicela ukuchazela baby ngiyacela
I'm done for you. This is your thing.
baby lalela ngicela ukutshela uNtokozo kwenzakaleni. Okay ngicela simfoneleni ngicela nimfonele.
You told me that your mom is sick. I gave you. You wanted to go out with Togozo. No.
If angikholwa then uzosikhulumela ukuthi uNtokozo impilo because wafika athi ngimncede nge-assignment yesikole angithi use-UJ. So njengoba bengithe akekho
Then what happened yesterday?
Kwenza ntoni izolo?
bekafuna uSibusiso. Manje akekho.
No.
Okay ngicela nimfoneleni ke.
Okay. My Scott is sorry kaloku, calm down.
I can't calm down. I can't calm down.
Sorry no, sorry.
There are lots of things that I was supposed to do for this guy. No.
Kune plans,
I
ne?
had a lot of plans.
Askisi ayikho into ekhalelayo kwamampela nakho.
So Ntokozo is a friend, sister. Which
Umuntu engimncedayo umntana kubo uSibusiso mina naye sabangani.
There's no need for that. There's no need for that. No.
Hi, can I please speak to Ntokozo? Hi Ntokozo, is that you? No Lisa, sihleli noSabelo apha.
Ukabelo Ntokozo lalela
My
man.
bad.
Nginolokhuzana ubuhle.
Come buhle actually talk to you. Awufuna uthetha naye?
Ngizokhuluma ngithini naye because everything is there. Everything is there.
Ntokozo
I'm wasting this precious little girl's time.
Ntokozo
Stupid.
Ntokozo bathi mina nawe sajola.
Ayile Jordan.
You are dating with her. You are.
Eh?
Please baby.
Yini girlfriend yaka Kabelo.
Ntokozo ngiyajola nawe.
Do this. How could you?
Baby.
Niyajola Ntokozo?
My money yesterday is talking that your mom is sick. Now today I am finding out about Togozo.
How long have you been together no Kabelo?
I think inyanga or
Okay, Nkosi.
Athi mina naye besijola.
For inyanga nama.
Baby askisi ngicela ubuye. Sister ngicela nimesi.
Awufuni ihle moya kaloku bubuhle yinto ntombi.
I can't anymore. Let me go home and you go to your place. No. I don't give a shit. I don't give a damn about that. I don't give a damn. I even bought you this fucking phone. I'm taking my phone back.
Ngicela ifoni yami.
Oh no, Bush.
This is my money. It's my money.
Yeah.
Ah, sister.
Amxolo wethu bhuti man buyafeba ndithini mina masambe edlamini. Hamba ke emaqenge intombazana yakho.
Ngizothini ungalile?
Go there.
Yo, baby. Ngicela ifoni.
Ayani ndayikhathaleleyo ifoni kodwa ufebile. Yeah. Do you see how women just like fall deeply in love because they've been together for 3 months? But do you see a lot can happen in 3 months? A lot can happen. Oh, where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? The guy I met yesterday just texted. No, good love me. Oh no, man. No, I was supposed to go to the gym and then I lied and said my eyes were swollen, so I didn't go to the gym. Now he's comforting me. It's nice.
No, iqede Lulu.
Ndiqediyeke.
Serious.
Oh God, oh, but
After what
But
we've seen here.
it's been a good 24 hours.
Yeah. 24 hours iphelile, it's okay. Ilanga eli-1.
So ndixoke ngegym ndaxoka nangemali. Yeah, I know.
2 lies already.
2 lives already in 24 hours.
24 hours. Lulu.
Oh, fine. I'll think about it. I'll see.
No, you don't have to think about
But I feel like the swollen eyes was a white lie, so that's not necessary. I don't have to tell him about that I lied.
No, you don't have to tell him about that. It's okay.
Okay.
That one you understand.
Okay.
Kunalama manga lawa abonayo ukuthi yazini.
Yeah.
Just nje.
Yeah.
Angeke akufake enkingeni.
Yes.
But the first one,
Okay, fine.
hayi asiphume kuyona mama ngeke.
Okay, fine.
Izongisha izinto.
Okay, fine. Why do you always work when I'm working? I know you have a crush on me. Can I have a raise? Can I have a raise? Say hi to the people. Say hi.
Wait.
Hi, Lily.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good. Why do you only work when I'm working? You don't work when Ginger's working. You don't work when Tene was working.
No, I
But
was
I
actually,
am I lying?
I was actually
Thank
planning
you.
to take to do one night on banana today myself.
Really?
Yeah, and then she took calling.
I did what?
Like I was planning to. You can't hear me when I talk, ne?
I can.
Like I wanna do night on banana.
Oh, one episode.
Yes, and then you do calling.
Really?
Yes.
But people don't like you on your Timbanana. You're boring.
I've never done night on banana.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
No, I have never.
Oh, you did Unia
I will
Tandanana.
never do it.
You did Unia Tandanana.
Let's check the eh?
You did Unia Tandanana.
No.
Not one episode.
No, I've never done. You guys.
He did Nia Tandanana
No.
instead of
it
Nia
was- It
Timbanana.
was another lady who did that.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyway, where's my Savannah?
Ha.
I know it's in the comments.
Just arrived.
I know it's in. You brought me
I just
Savannah.
arrived.
Did you bring the Savannah, Lily?
She's making me a bad influence, ne?
But Lily brought me Savannah most the last episode. Why are you guys acting brand new?
No, me I'm just.
How are you?
I'm good, Lily. How?
I'm no longer giving her compliments. You saw that video?
Which one?
Yeah.
I saw it.
Yeah. No, people question me a lot.
The one he was complimenting you.
People were asking me online, Ori, hey, why are you saying Lisa is Beyonce or what?
Kim Kardashian.
Shame, it's innocent though.
So I'm not gonna.
It's
I'm
fine.
not gonna ask you. I'm not gonna compliment you anymore.
It's fine. Like we know that you have a crush on me, but it's innocent, so it's fine.
Exactly. Good question.
Oh, Sven, that man is buying face.
That's what I'm asking. I didn't know.
He's buying face.
I feel like she's been saying that since Penthouse.
Since Penthouse.
Does Lee buy alcohol for everyone else? He only buys alcohol for me, number one. Secondly, he only shoots when I'm shooting.
That's because I bought her champagne.
No, it's
That's
only
because I bought more.
only you drinks.
That's because I bought more.
Yes. Yeah.
That's because I bought her more.
No, we don't.
at the penthouse.
It's the penthouse.
Now everyone has to die. Wuti. I bought Moet for Lisa.
First of all, I spoke about Savannah. You're just trying to get street cred and tell people you bought me champagne. I spoke about my Seven. So you're trying to earn street cred, ne?
I'm not.
And then you finished it within an hour.
Don't lie. Darling, I'm a lady.
That's Moet.
It took 3 hours.
Six pack in Akuze Savan.
I didn't have all of that at once.
Within an hour, the Moet was gone.
But Lishem, after my jaw surgery, so you noticed I can't drink, ne?
I noticed.
Yeah, this so weird.
I noticed you can't drink like before.
Yeah, I don't know what surgery does to a person, but I don't know. But it's a good thing.
No, for you it's not.
Shut up, Dlamini.
I can see the chin. It's no longer.
Yeah.
My chin was doing this before.
A little.
Why you guys shady? You guys are shading me, ne?
No, but it was not bad. Like,
but it was
bad.
Okay.
It was bad. No, it was bad. I mean, I even told you it was the way it was.
He didn't tell me that. He's only saying now.
I did tell you umhlathu islevu sakho ngathi sime ngenye into yakho.
Dlamini, that's so mean.
And that must put me on the thumbnail so that people think I'm on a Tambanana.
Then beze opening babo.
Okay, fine. Do you want to close the show for us?
No.
Please close the show.
Give Valentine, guys, ne? We are not resting. We need a Valentine episode, guys.
Okay.
So meaning this episode must come before Valentine so that we can make sure we shoot a Valentine episode.
Okay, fine.
We must make sure on Valentine we...
Who's going to shoot the Valentine episode? Can't Dinemo or King Ginger take?
No. On Valentine you must work.
Who must work?
If we have to pay you for Valentine, we'll pay you for Valentine.
Who must work?
You must wear red and white.
Why must I work? Why can't Ginger or Dinemo work?
You are not working for free, Mons.
But why can't Dinemo or Ginger take?
Nah, now you want Gino is off.
Dinemo's off?
Yeah.
What about Ginger?
Ginger is in Lesotho.
Why am I on?
Because you are on.
Oh, no.
I don't want to work, Lily. No. I don't want it.
And you write him on.
I don't want it, Lee. No.
But we have to have the episode every time.
Shame.
People are going to be waiting.
Why can't we just shoot on a random day and then post it on Valentine's Day? Why does it have to...
We need to shoot on Valentine.
And
Valentine. Even if you put my late, it's fine.
No, I'm not doing it.
But I'm the one who's paying you.
I don't care.
Yeah, I know you do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
We all know she will do it. She just want to be an alpha on camera.
Attention, they say I'm gonna be red and white.
Like Lisa is that person who wants to always prove a point.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Time around.
You're not gonna prove a point. We're gonna have a Valentine episode.
Valentine.
Thank you.
It's so cute when he's trying to earn some dignity. Please step aside. Step aside. Lee is such a cool boss, but I understand when he's trying to gain some authority, Shem, because you both know I won't be here.
You will be here. I know you'll be here.
Dlamini, this is you.
I will be here on the street.
On Valentine's Day?
Yes.
I saw that nizonibona kakuhle namhlanje.
Red and white.
No, Lily, nizondibona kakuhle.
Why umthinta ngani? Ngiyezwa kuba
Dlamini, stop it.
ngiyezwa kuba soft nyana.
Lee, I'm gonna write an email. Dlamini is very sexual.
Saxatshaniswa umlungu. Mina nawe sinje.
But why are you such a liar?
I'm not.
You tried to buy face.
What did I say? What did I lie about?
Why are you lying that I'm gonna be here on Valentine's Day?
But I know you'll be here. Okay, uzobungekho.
No. To shoot on Valentine's Day.
Amangaphi sana.
Guys, that is an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame. Leave my Savannah, please. Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram, welcome Dlamini. Welcome _Dlamini 88. TikTok, it's welcome Dlamini. Facebook, welcome Dlamini. Danko siyabonga.
Thank you, guys.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty. And in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur Oh, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale chino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi esingakanani njena nokhaba?
Yes.
Ama friends ngadlala.